Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? How are you girls? Welcome, grade 7 students, to new lesson in math. Today, inshallah, we will study converse of Pythagorean theorem. Really, you studied before Pythagorean theorem, and you know that Pythagorean theorem depends on right triangle. Okay? Okay, remind you with me. For example, if you have a triangle like ABC and you have a right angle which is angle B, so the opposite side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the long side of the right angle triangle. And Pythagorean theorem, what is this? Pythagorean theorem is triangle if triangle ABC is a right triangle with sides A, B, and C, then we can say hypotenuse per 2 equals side 1 per 2 plus side 2 per 2. So we can say C per 2 equals B per 2 plus A per 2. Okay, which are A and B are called legs, okay, because they are the shorter sides of the right triangle. For example, in this triangle, how to find the messed side? First, is this triangle right? Yes, this is right triangle. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So we can say the hypotenuse per 2, which is 25 per 2, equals 24 per 2 plus the unknown side per 2. For example, I can name it by x, for example. So we can say x per 2. Then the next step, you can move 24 per 2 to the other side, okay? To be 25 per 2 minus 24 per 2, it will be 49 equals x per 2. How to find x? So we can take square root to both sides. So we can say x equals what? Yes, good, which is 7. But today, what will you learn, inshallah? You will learn converse of Pythagorean theorem. Okay, in Pythagorean theorem, we said, if you have a right triangle, so the hypotenuse per 2 equals side 1 per 2 plus side 2 per 2. But what about converse of it? Converse of it depends on any triangle. How to mention any triangle, right or not? Okay, if you proved that one of the three sides, power 2, equals sum of squares of the other two sides, so this triangle is, yes, good, is right. This triangle is right triangle, okay? For example, if I have a triangle like this, it's called ABC. And, and we could prove that C bar 2 equal A bar 2 plus B bar 2. So we can say this triangle is right. So it's converse of Pythagorean theorem. Because here you have a triangle, not right. No, you have a triangle with three sides. How to check right or not? Right triangle or not? Okay, then you can take the last one, the biggest one, the longest one, okay, power 2, then compare between it and sum of squares of the other two sides. Okay, if you check that the biggest one power 2 equals sum of squares of the other two sides, so we can say this triangle is right triangle. Let's go to exercise. For example, a triangle has side lengths 4 inches, 5 and 7 inches. Is the triangle right? Okay, let's go to some blanks, some spaces. Okay, so first one, you must compare between sum of squares of the shorter side and the biggest side. Okay, so we can say 4 per 2 plus 5 per 2. Okay, this sign, what's the meaning of this sign? This sign means equal or not. Equal or not, okay. 4 per 2 plus 5 per 2, equal or not? Yes, 7 per 2. Okay, then evaluate each of them. 4 per 2, which is 16. 5 per 2, which is 25. But 7 per 2, which is 49. Okay, here is A per 2 plus B per 2 equal to C per 2. Okay, add 16 and 25, which are 41. Is 41 equal 49? Really? No. So is this triangle right? No, not right. Not right. Maybe obtuse, maybe acute. Okay, guys? Okay, girls? Okay, I think it's easy. Let's go to the next one. If this triangle is right, okay, let's go to the biggest side. What's the biggest side here is? Yes, good, 10. So 10 power 2, ask yourself, is 10 power 2 equal or not? 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2? Okay, let's go. 10 power 2, which is 100, and 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2 together, it will be 100 else if you evaluated them, okay? So they are equal or not? Yes, they are equal. So the triangle is right. Good, excellent. It's easy. Next one. Is a purple triangle right triangle or not? This one. Okay, first take the greatest one, which is 20.8 power 2. Okay, equal or not? 14 power 2 plus 15.5 power 2. Okay, you must evaluate each of sides. 20.8 power 2, which is, using calculator, it will be 432.64. Okay, and the other side, 14 power 2 plus 15.5 power 2, it will be 466.25. Okay, they are equal or not? Really, they are not equal. So this triangle is not right. So the answer is no. Okay, next one. In this triangle, okay, we want to mention this triangle right or not right. Okay, check. What are the shorter sides, which are 12 and 16, but the biggest one is 20. Okay, okay, take the least sides, which are 12 and 16. So we can say 12 power 2 plus 16 power 2. Equal or not? 20 power 2. Okay, then 12 power 2, which is 144. But 16 power 2, which is 256. But 20 power 2, which is 400, which is 20 times 20. Okay, now you can add 144 and 256. It will be 400. And the other side, the same 400. So they are, yes, good, they are equal. So is the triangle right or not? Yes, good, is right. Okay, another exercise. Triangle JKL is an isosceles triangle. Is KM the height of triangle JKL or not? Okay, how to mention KM is a height or not? What's the meaning of height? The height, guys, is a line which is perpendicular to another line. Again, what's the height? The height of a triangle, the height of a triangle is a line segment which is perpendicular from one of the vertices of the triangle to one of the bases, or to the opposite side, Okay, so how to check KM is a height or not? You must check this angle, right or not? Okay, how to check this angle right or not? Using, yes, good, Pythagorean theorem. How to use Pythagorean theorem? I think you know well. First, take the greatest side. What's the greatest side here? Square root of 340. So, first, square root of 340 whole power 2. Okay, ask yourself, equal or not? 13 power 2 plus 14 power 2. Then evaluate each of them. Square root of 340 all power 2 first. You can cancel power 2 with power 2 to be 340. Equal or not? 13 power 2, which is 169, plus 14 power 2, which is 196. Then 340 else, equal or not? Add 169 and 196, it will be 365. Now ask yourself, they are equal or not? Yes, you can say they are not equal. They are not equal. So if they are not equal, so this triangle is not right. So we can say KM is not height of triangle JKL. Thank you for listening and meet you after inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.